back to the Hijabi. I'm Vivi. As I promised in my previous video, today I'm going to give you 5 interior designers that I think that you should follow if you're trying to decorate your home. If this is the first time visiting my channel, hi, welcome. I usually make videos about living beautiful, everything related to that. So without further ado, let's start. Number 1 is Lisa Holt Design. She is such a great source of information. I think that she's a teacher because if you know zero about design, she breaks it down in such a easy way for you to understand every aspect. And she also has a program where you can sign up on her website to learn further than just YouTube. So look at some of these images, are just amazing. She does a great job. And what I love the most about Lisa is that she actually covers all the styles. So you have modern, traditional, transitional, farmhouse. Like, she really takes you to all of it, and it also gives you some background. It's amazing. You just learn history by watching one of her videos. Number 2 is DIY with Katie. Kava, it's amazing because her theme and her channel is how to achieve the luxe look for less. So she has a tons of dupe ideas, and she also teach you how to DIY some projects, and really takes you step by step so you can achieve the final result. She touches upon different styles but more modern in a way. I have learned so much from her, and she also has some videos where she does some shopping and taking you to the thought process. It is great. She's really good. You're going to love her. So number 3 is Omano. Oh my god, his introduction is hilarious. I love to hear it every single time. He always starts his videos with nobody else but in today's video, and I think that's so fun. His style is quite different than what I have in my home, but I appreciate still his input, and he shows his updates in his own home and suggestions, and he does a lot of shopping hauls and where it takes the camera and he's explaining you why does he think that it's stylish and why it's not. And I really enjoy those kind of videos. It's just very fun and entertaining. Number 4 will not come as a surprise because you know that I love her, and it's House of Valentina. So Valentina teaches you so much. I just love her style. It's a little more luxurious and I love it. I really enjoy all her recommendations. Unfortunately, my house is transitional, so a lot of the things that she likes are more modern. She has a modern home, and does not apply with me. Regardless, I love her channel. I'm all the time there. I'm like fan number 1. I don't know if she knows. And number 5, okay, is Julie Koo. I actually discovered her not too long ago, and I love her videos, especially the ones that relate with plant and nature. She has a whole variety of decorating videos, so it is very diverse, and she touches upon different styles. And one of my favorite videos is how to decorate with plants and even how to take care of plants, and I think that was so important because it's not only showing you the design style, but it's actually giving you a little bit more, so it's easier for you to implement. And even if you have the means to get your own interior designer, it is good that you know the basis so you can communicate and externalize the ideas that you have in an easier way. So I hope that these recommendations are helpful. Most of all of these designers have an Amazon storefront where it makes it easy for you to shop. So, and I will be adding all their channels in the description box so you can find them easily. If you are in a mission like I am and trying to decorate my home, then you can share some pictures over Facebook or private message me. I would love to see how your project is coming along. I'm going to keep you updated about my house. There is still a lot of work to be done and it's a work in progress, but we will touch base and I will keep you up to date with all of this. Little by little, it will take me a while, but I will do it. This is like way overdue. I had to do this like 2 years ago, but finally, now I will get it done. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and to subscribe. This really helps my channel. I will see you in my next one. Salam and subscribe. Bye. Salam, hello, welcome back to the Hijabi. Salam, hello, welcome back to the Hijabi.